Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is your expert, and today I bring you a treat. I'm recording first of all from the park around my place. It's not very clouded, it's not very extremely lighted, so it's just like the perfect weather to show you how exactly a solar panel will work. This one's gonna be called the Dawn Portable Solar Panel by Outdoor Tech. I have the swag with me. I have the Buckshot Pro Ultra, which is a Lantern Plus speaker, and I have the Pearls earbuds with me, which I am recording with. So I'm here on the open air. So if you get a lot of wind noise or some other background noises, I do apologize for that, but we're trying to record this in the park live to show you guys how exactly the solar panel is working. I have a couple of people with me. Even my dog is barking on some other dogs right now. So let's go ahead and kick this off right now. So I wanted to show you guys first of all the box that this one comes in with. This one, it was not treated fairly by UPS, so it was a little bit, it has a little bit of a dent over here, but please don't expect that. This one was like a one-time thing where I came in with a lot of packages, and the UPS guy was a little bit overwhelmed, so he had some other stuff on top of it. So I wanted to show you guys that this is basically the unit. It's gonna be a portable solar panel of 40 watts. It has built-in USB-C cable, has a 4mm cable, an 8mm cable, and an LCD display. These are high efficiency solar panels. And again, this is by Outdoor Tech. It's eco-friendly, so the box will be easy to dispose of or recycle. So we're gonna take a quick look-see at the box before I show you guys anything else. I need you to go ahead and I'm gonna just wrap this up a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and, so this is basically just going off the grid. It comes by a great energy and portability. The Dawn 40-watt foldable brings you the power and adventure to you. It has an LCD display. It has an LCD display where you guys can actually see the voltage that you guys are looking at in your unit. It has a built-in kickstand, so you guys will be able to position this to better capture those, that solar energy. It has built-in cables, so I'm gonna show you guys in just one bit. And it has a 23% high conversion efficiency solar cells, which basically gives you a 10% extra advantage against any other competitor. You guys have over here the tech specs. And if you really want to go off the grid with this unit, a little bit on the, okay, here. Okay, so if you guys want to go ahead a little bit off the grid, we have a great combo for you, which are the Dawn solar panel and the Grizzly battery. So I'm gonna show you guys this on the next video, and it's basically just a combo for you guys to be able to enjoy, completely off the grid electricity and high power capacity. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip this back on the table here, and let's go ahead and kick it open. So basically what I have over here, it's the solar panel, and it comes in a nice bubble wrap. So even though that the box might take a couple of hits, you guys will be able to be sure that your unit is safe. So I have the bubble wrap here. I'm just gonna put the unit here. All right, and I have over here, first of all, some swag for you guys, so you guys can stick it on your laptop, on your skateboard, in your bike, just to show off to your friends. I have over here the user manual, so please take a quick second to actually go over this, very important. And finally, let's go ahead and kick it off with the unit itself. All right, so I'm just gonna close the box so I can show you guys this real quick. I have a little bit of a zipper here. Inside the zipper, you guys will be able to find the LCD display and the cables for it, right? So very convenient. You don't have to be worried about getting dirty or anything like that. Over here you guys have that display, and over here it's the solar panel. So basically, as you guys can see, it's a huge solar panel, a bunch of solar cells right there on the unit. I'm gonna go ahead and take a freestyle it a little bit with my phone right here. So as you guys can see, Over here in the back, you guys have the kickstands, right? So you guys can actually just like leave it like that, or just use the kickstand. This is upside down, but you know, like you guys can figure it out, right? So I want to show you that the kickstands come attached to it, so you guys don't have to worry. And this is a huge solar panel for you to be able to go ahead and charge your stuff while you're on the go. So it's the basically one arm length. I can show you that. I'll give you more details and descriptions and in the description below. But this is the Dawn solar panel, guys. This one will actually get some power out of it, and as soon as we get some sunlight, you guys can actually go ahead and go back to the LCD screen and plug in your stuff. So guys, very cool for just a unit. I really wasn't expecting this unit to be that cool, and it's basically gives you everything that you need in order to charge your stuff while you're camping, while you're on the go. And it's just perfect for your you know, for your summer lake travels, where you know you're not gonna have maybe a maybe an electrical outlet on the available. So you guys will be able to have this option. Again, very cool, and combined with the Grizzly, it will be perfect for camping, and I'll show you guys that in the next video. So guys, I'm gonna leave you with that. Maybe if we can get some sun out of this thing, I can show you guys how it turns on. I'm gonna unwrap this real quick. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's not extremely sunny, it's not that bright, it's a little bit cloudy, but with just a little bit of solar panel, the LCD screen just kicks up and it gives you information about the voltage and amperage that you guys can already get from your cables by just pointing this thing at a little bit of sunlight. So that's basically what I have for you guys, the Dawn solar panel. Again, very cool if you're going camping, if you're going off the grid maybe. This one will be the perfect addition for your camping equipment. It's a huge solar panel, it's foldable, it's portable. It's a 40-watt solar panel, so basically you can get a lot of electricity out of this thing and put it into your devices. So guys, with a little bit of a side view of the park available over here right next to my house, I'll leave you with that. Thank you so much for watching. Your support means everything to me. And if you guys really want to get one of these ones, hit me up. Maybe we can work something out. I'll be more than happy to help you guys with the outdoor tech team. And again, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. This was your expert. Hope you guys have a great week. Thank you so much for watching, guys.